About a week ago I put a post out asking if anyone would be interested if I showed some kind of behind the scenes of my wildlife photography. There's an overwhelming response where 2 or 3 people said they might watch it if they had nothing better to do. So I was convinced. So today I'm going to try and show you what it's like to photograph barn owls. They're my favourite subject to shoot, any kind of owl. So I guess we start with the kit. I want to keep my distance from the owls, so I'm going to use the longest lens I have. I'm also using a body with a full frame sensor because it's likely I'll be needing a fast shutter speed in low light. I always take a spare body with me as well in case the main one malfunctions or I drop it. Of course, spare batteries and memory cards, and an emergency energy supplement in case I get stuck in the middle of nowhere or fall off a hill and break my leg. It's only for emergencies. And something to read if nothing shows up. I post most of my images on Instagram at Irrational Geographic if you'd like to see my style of photography. For these owls I'm actually going to do something I haven't done before, which is shoot from inside the car. That's because these owls are found kind of near some country roads in the Peak District, so they're more used to the outline of a car than say me bumbling around on the moors. Unfortunately my car isn't the most camouflaged. I mean, it is green, it's just the wrong kind of green. Okay, I positioned myself nearish an old barn thing where I'm pretty sure 2 barn owls roost. It's kind of far away, but I'm not going to get out and go anywhere near because I don't want to disturb them. You know, it's the time of year where they might have chicks as well, so that, you know, just, if you're doing this kind of thing, don't go anywhere near if you can help it. So I'm just going to sit tight here and hope they come out. And hopefully they'll come nearer me on their own accord if I just stay in the car. This is like that bit in nature documentaries at the end where they show you how it's all done, except this is really boring because no animals have turned up. Both barn owls have just woken up and they're just sitting in the little window in the barn. Hopefully they'll start hunting soon. It's super windy, so the barn owls are having a really tough time hunting. They're getting blown all over the place. Look at this. The 2 barn owls have just flown right over the road in front of me and into the moors somewhere, so I can't see them anymore, they've gone. So I'm going to go and try and find a different location. I was just driving along and then a glimpse of white on the left. It's a barn owl hunting, like that. Isn't that fabulous? I think I got some good shots too, we'll see. I've just pulled up because there's this lovely scene here where there's a few fence posts in front of a really nice blue background. The blue's made by the kind of mist on the moors in the distance. So if the barn owl that's been hunting around here decides to land there, then that could make a really, really nice photo with the plain blue background. Oh, I really hope it lands there. look, look, look. It landed on one of the posts. Look at this, look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. It's too dark to take photos now, so I'm just watching the owls hunt. They're quite far away as well, they're just hunting over the moor and just see these kind of bits of white flapping around, but it's really nice.